Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May the 5th, 2023. Here to talk about Ethereum Classic today to see if this particular cryptocurrency is going to crash. Could an expert, i.e. myself, from the chart tell you and actually predict that Ethereum Classic is going to crash? Now, I'm not saying that it's going to happen. I'm just going to simply look at the chart, you and I together, to see if that's a possibility. Because in actuality, when I look at the chart in Ethereum Classic, I don't see the price actually showing an impending crash. It just doesn't look that way off the chart. Now, we've just been meandering in between $18 and $24 over the last couple of months, which is one indication to tell us that that's not probable as of right now that Ethereum Classic is going to crash. So outside of that, let's go ahead and take a look at the other particular time frames into the market for Ethereum Classic. Here it is on the 2-day chart. You guys can see it. We're not really seeing too much in terms of a biased direction, i.e. movement higher or even movement to the downside. The price is just merely consolidating. Here it is on the 3-day chart as well. Now, on this particular 3-day price bar here also tells me that the market buyers are currently supporting price above $19. Like, check this out. You guys can see it right here over these 3-day price bars, how Ethereum Classic's price has been maintaining $19. That tells you that this is where the buyers are. Okay, so as long as Ethereum price holds 19 bucks, guess what? Yeah, the market's not going to crash. So each of these 3-day price bars is already letting us know that there is interest and demand coming into the market right there around 19 bucks. Take a look at Ethereum Classic on the 5-day time frame. Okay, here it is on the weekly. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. So we have 2 days and 14 hours left, and I'm still seeing from this time frame, the 2-weekly chart, that there is some selling still apparent off of the chart. So I'm not going to lead you all astray and say that this market is massively bullish, because it's not that neither. You can see it on the 2 weeks, and even here on the 3 weeks, we have 2 days and 14 hours left on this current 3-weekly price bar, and Ethereum Classic still looks weak. So let's pull all this back about a bullish talk, a breakout, anything of that sort, because we're definitely seeing weakness on a longer term basis. Okay, so the eye that we all need to be focusing on, the price level, is $19. We do not want to see price in Ethereum Classic fall below 19, and the possibility is still there, especially right there on that 7-hour price bar. Take a look at this on 11 hours. So what do I suspect price in Ethereum Classic is about to do now is still hold this consolidational trader range. Now I'm looking for 19 to hold, but my ultimate area of support is still down here around 18. So from all the time frames that we've seen thus far, okay, what is the easiest way for price to move to you? Is it easier to go higher, or is the market price action in Ethereum Classic easier to go lower as of right now? How do you see it? Because I don't want you all to forget how price is still trending below our trend line. There was a small spat of time to where price in Ethereum Classic was able to break out of it, but now you guys can still see we're still trending to the downside. So I'm just giving you all the information. To me, it looks as if the market has an easier chance of going down right now than it does of going higher. Now, just because I said that doesn't mean that price in Ethereum Classic is going to crash. It just simply means that there's a greater chance for price to move down than to go up. So what I'm going to do here on this particular video, I think I'm going to drop a price prediction in the market in Ethereum Classic, but I don't think price is really going to move that low though. So I may just continue to not put a price prediction on the chart and just let the market continue to meander. And like I said, trade from left to right, go sideways for a couple more days, and then possibly we could get more confirmation that buyers are still holding 19 bucks, and then look for the market to go higher. That's also something we could possibly do too. Like, I want you all to understand how to maneuver in the cryptocurrency space. Like, don't feel as if you have to come in and pull the trigger on a trade, that you need to come in and buy or sell. Sometimes you just need to stand back and let everyone else work and figure it out. And I think I might just do that. So I'm not going to drop a price prediction in the market in Ethereum Classic, but like I said earlier, I do see price a little bit weaker than in terms of strength right now. I did notify you all that $19 can still be maintained as support, which would be a good thing and a good indication for us to know that buyers are still present and that the likelihood of market going higher in Ethereum Classic is increasing. I need to continue to see that though. I'm not convinced just yet. You may be. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.